Okay, Bones. There's the river. Time to cross. I think I should tie you to my belt for this one. The current looks pretty strong.
This is always so humiliating.
Oh, stop being a crybaby. It's for your own good.
Ah, easy with the merchandise, man.
There. Nice and snug. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's colder than I expected. All right there, Bones?
Sure, let's get this over with. I can't swim, you know.
Being that you're basically a floating head, I'd be more surprised if you could swim. Okay, slow and steady, one step at a time. Whoa, this current is a lot stronger than it looks. Hold on tight, Bones.
With what? You better be real careful, Boy Scout.
Don't worry, mate. We'll be fine. I'm as agile as a mountain goat.
A what?
Hey, it's after your time. Point is, I have a very firm footing and... Whoa! Bones! Hold your breath. I'm gonna try to reach the shore. There's a low branch hanging there. I'm gonna try grab it.
If we drown here, I'm gonna haunt you forever.
Made it. Oh man, that was no fun at all.
Real firm footing you got there, buddy. Real nice.
Lucky for us, this branch was hanging right over the river. Wait a second, it looks like a
claw. Just like that kooky baryonyx leader said. Wow, that was a pretty interesting shortcut.
Yep, totally intentional. Anyway, he said to turn left from the tree and we'll arrive at the hunting ground. Let's go.
Yeah, give me a second, kid. I've got water in my eye sockets.
Fair enough. Let's rest for a bit before we head out. We need to... Well, what was that?
Over there, Dawson.
Oh my, it's the Dilophosaurus. A really small one. Aww, it's only a baby.
Yep, let's just mosey on out of here. Lots to do, huh? All that questing and adventuring. Come on, Dawson.
What? We can't just leave him here. Hello. Hi, little buddy. Are you lost? Where are your parents?
Can we please not wait to find out?
Bones, come on. How could you not melt at the sight of this? Oh, look at those little eyes.
Whoa, that looks corrosive. Did that nasty stuff really just come out of that little thing?
Yep, we should probably steer clear of that. It's a venom that stings and paralyzes. Oh, it looks like this little one has a cold. Is that true? Do you have a little coldy cold in your nosy nose?
Charming.
He is adorable, and I would die for him.
We're probably gonna.
I'm gonna call him Sniffles.
That's a cute name for a deadly predator.
Bones, you need to stop being a wet blanket. Sniffles is coming with us until we find his parents.
Or they find us. Okay, that's like the third time we've seen that bush. I'm pretty sure we're going around in circles.
Don't lose hope just yet. I have a good feeling. Don't you, Sniffles?
See? Even the kid knows we're lost. Come on, let's stop for a minute and strategize. Put that big custodian brain to use.
You really are quite lazy for a being that doesn't even use energy to walk.
Hey, if you think levitating like this is so easy, why don't you give it a try?
Can't argue with that. Uncle Boney sure is funny, isn't he, Sniffles? Sniffles? Whoa, where'd he go?
Quickly, while it's distracted. Let's scram.
Very funny. Come on, we can't lose him. Sniffles, what are you? Oh,
Well, would you look at that?
it's a pack of Compsognathus. Oh, they're playing with Sniffles. That's adorable. Wait, Sniffles? Don't you eat these for lunch?
Ugh. Compies.
Not a fan, are you? They're quite harmless.
Yeah, I know. They're just pesky. Always running and hopping around. And their nibbles are really annoying.
Oi! Who are you calling annoying? You floating head! Do you even know who you're talking to? I'm calling the Compsognathus, and this is my turf.
Hey, I'm calling it like it is, buddy. You got a problem?
Okay, Bones, let's not start a fight and...
Shut your trap! The nerve of the pair of you! Coming down here and poking fun at us? Best watch it, you wee head, or I'll teach yous a real lesson.
Oh, yeah? You and what army?
Bones.
What army? Soldiers! Present arms!
Bones, you drongo, what have you done?
Okay, back away slowly. Sorry, boys. Just a little misunderstanding. We're just gonna go back to where we came from.
It's a little too late for that, laddie! Soldiers! Charge!
Bones! Sniffles! Run! Ow! Get off me! Ow! You're alright, Bones! Ah! His little bites, ouch! Really are, annoying!
What did I tell you?
This'll teach you not to mess with the Compsognathus clan, eh, you daft laddies? You've picked a fight you cannot win!
Sniffles, are you alright?
Good lord! They've brought in the heavy artillery boys! Fall back! Retreat!
Just you wait, lads. This ain't the end of us. You'll be seeing us again. Mark my words.
Wow, we're alright. We're safe. Sniffles, you saved us. You're the best.
The kid came through. You're a real good friend, Sniffles.
That's right, you're our friend. Well, now that the Compy Cape is over with, I guess it's time to continue on our quest. Let's get to it, gang. Onward we go.